there and welcome. You tuned in at the right time, because the word on everyone's lips is hockey.
Alfredson gets hold of the puck. Robitaille. Lemieux, phenomenal save! Penalty called! The ref indicates a delayed call against Chara. He gets called for elbowing.
Oh, look, there goes Mr. Penalty, off to the box.
Detroit has a chance to open up its offense.
A one-man advantage like this can be a huge factor.
Detroit has a guy lying on the ice.
Uh-oh. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it. He took quite a slash there. It must have really hurt.
Of course it hurt. He got injured, didn't he?
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Lemieux wins the draw. Ball grabs the puck. Chara has done his penalty time, and that means his team is no longer down a man, and it's icing against Detroit. Robitaille gets laid out.
He is to big hits what Einstein was to smart guys with weird hair.
Bonk takes possession of the puck. He rubs out Hossa.
Here's a new description for you. A painfully large slice of humble pie was just dealt out.
Lemieux. Lalime makes the save. Rakunik. Arvidsson. Reichel. Mowed down.
Came in fast and delivered a blast.
Arvidsson takes control of the puck. In all alone. Chelios shoots. Rakunik gets hold of the puck. Phillips. Arvidsson took it. Taken out. Williams scoops up the loose puck. Westland got it. Shoots it! Lalime denies him!
Watching him play goal makes me wish I hadn't slept for all those 5 a.m. practices.
Lalime made the save, and he covers up. Nieuwendyk won the faceoff. McCarthy shoots the puck. Ottawa has it. Alfredson hits the post! Nieuwendyk grabs the puck. Rogers now has it. Nieuwendyk shoots quickly! Lalime made the save! Lalime hangs on for the whistle.
Why not rent one of our luxury boxes? All boxes feature great views, waiter service, and free merchandise.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Turned away! Lidstrom. The ref indicates a delayed call. Hard shot. Reichel stops the shot. Fires it. Lidstrom misses the net. A howitzer from the left. Phillips will get the gate for interference.
Jim, when you play hard in a hockey game, sometimes you take penalties.
Ottawa gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
Bonk. Hossa has the puck. He gets laid out. Yager. Robitaille gets hold of the puck. Yager. Lemieux, one-timer. Lalime hangs on for the whistle. Nieuwendyk wins the draw. Kuba shoots the puck. Hull.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Mowed down.
I'm sure a hit like that caused the magnetic reversal of the poles.
Solani. Schaefer.
That's the first.
Detroit looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing the puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim.
Tonight's game.
Welcome back, everybody. Wow, this game is off to a great start.
Keeping it close, just the way I like it.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Robitaille. Yager shoots the puck. Ottawa got it. Reichel. Icing is called against Ottawa. Neal. Reichel. Rakunik takes possession of the puck. Neal has it now. He gets laid out. Kuba scoops up the loose puck. Rakunik touches up for the icing call. Ottawa with it now. Redden fires. Kuba picked it up. Schaefer. Samani shoots it. Laline made the save, and he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. Alfredson. Chara moved it. Hossa. Bonk corrals it. Joseph made the brilliant save. Shot the puck. Stoned cold by Joseph.
Pads equal brick wall when they're used like that.
Nieuwendyk. Rogers now with the puck. Ottawa puts its scoring line out. Caberlet corrals the puck. Denied by Laline.
No way, no how.
Alfredson. He turns the puck over. Chelios takes it. Lemieux grabs it. Grabbed by Ottawa. Bonk. Lemieux corrals it. Chelios grabbed it. That's offside. Westland. The Red Wings come in offside. Neal. That's offside. Reichel really looks like he's injured.
Yeah, definitely hurting. His teammates don't like what they're seeing. Lots of concern for him.
Bad luck. I don't think we're going to be seeing him anytime soon.
Here's hoping we're wrong. Just this once.
Lemieux. Robitaille. He scores!
He was hoping the goalie was in the basement, so he sent it upstairs.
There's the goal they were missing.
Let's call it homeohockeyish. Somebody, get me the Smithsonian.
Scored by number
Kuba.
20, Luke Robitaille, assisted by number
Redden
16.
gets hold of the puck. King took it. Nieuwendyk runs over Meyers. Shoots the puck. Joseph made the huge save. Schaefer shoots the puck from the right. He scores!
That goal will spawn its own line of action figures, t-shirts, and various other paraphernalia. He hit that puck so hard that, Jim?
What? Don't look at me. And midway through the second period, they're enjoying a 2-goal lead.
They're definitely in a position to take this game. Anything less than a W would be a big disappointment.
The Red Wings go offside. Arvidsson. He gets laid out. Neal with the puck. Joseph denies him.
No reason not to, I suppose.
Lemieux turned away.
This could be the start of something big.
Yager shoots the puck. Chelios, one-time shot from the right. Detroit gobbles it up. Robitaille lying on the ice.
Maybe it's a problem with his ankle. Let's hope it's not too severe. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice. Phillips needed to keep his elbows down here, Don.
When elbows go up, injuries go up.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Schaefer controls the puck. Yager now with it.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Lemieux touches up for the icing call. The face-off goes to Detroit. Lidstrom fires it. Laline made the save, and he covers up for the face-off. Lemieux won the faceoff. Lalime gets the stick on it.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
Row 17, congratulations. You're being moved to row 3 of the lower bowl.
Jim, last period I broke a personal record and drank 53 coffees. Add that to your stats. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Please, somebody, help me!
Yeah!
Lemieux. Redden takes possession of the puck. Bonk now has it. The Senators dump it in. Detroit scoops it up. Yager. Schaefer. Detroit takes control. Offside. Solani, quick shot, saved by Lalime. Bonk. Hossa, put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Kuba gets the pass from Joseph Solani. And they get called for icing. Detroit has been winning most of the draws.
They draw better than Picasso.
Westland gets bumped off the puck. Ottawa gets a hold of it. Neal gets laid out. Arvidsson gets hold of the puck. Shoots! Great save by Joseph!
And you can almost hear him saying, "Get that weak shot out of here."
Williams shoots the puck from the right, picked up by Detroit. Nylander fires it hard. Ottawa gets it. Nylander. Schaefer shoots it hard. Lalime turned the shot away. Lalime freezes the puck. Detroit is slaying in the faceoff department.
Look at their percentage. They rule.
Schaefer dropped his stick quickly and is grimacing in pain.
Might be his wrist.
Bonk hit his man from behind. See the replay?
He should never have done that. That's how players get hurt.
Alfredson now has the puck. Nieuwendyk has it now. Lalime shut the door.
Among his weapons of choice, glove, blocker, pad, and a can-do attitude.
Bonk. Hossa. Joseph stones him cold.
Proving that denial is more than just a river in Egypt. He's working on a, you know what, Jim, but I don't want to say it. But he's really close to a blank. And if he keeps this up, he'll nab the blank.
Oh, I'm sure the folks at home can fill in the blanks. Lalime freezes the puck. Rakunik with it now. Mayers got it. King has it now. He gets laid out.
He serves up a little pop with crushed ice.
Chelios grabs the puck. Nylander. Nylander, backhanded shot. Lalime hangs on for the whistle. Mayers is struggling and seems to be in a lot of pain.
He got a shot to the knee there. Ouch, those hurt. I feel for him.
Lemieux wins the draw. Chelios shoots the puck. Lalime hangs on for the whistle. Bonk is hurt and out of this play.
That looks really, really bad, Jim. Look at the agony on his face.
Kuba rips a shot. Lalime stoned him. Solani jumps on the loose puck with a blistering shot. Ottawa grabs it. Fisher. It's one-on-one. Lalime will watch the rest of the game from the bench. Nieuwendyk. Hossa knocks the puck loose. Ottawa takes possession. Once the glass is replaced, the game will continue. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Brunet. Laline is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Ah, who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never!
That's icing. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things. The face-off goes to Ottawa. Turned away by Joseph. Brunet sneaks by the defender.
With moves worthy of his own aerobics routine.
Westland. Wrist shot from the right. Empty netter.
Detroit goal, scored by number
Shatan.
16, Tommy Westland, assisted by number 29.
Fisher takes control of the puck.
And by
Hull has it.
Curtis Joseph.
It's 1-on-1. Shoots the puck from the left. Detroit has it. Lemieux. Yager corrals it. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Lemieux is tough to beat at faceoffs. It's one of his stronger areas, Don.
He has what it takes. The right stuff, the straight goods. By making it clear,
Painfully, it's finished. Detroit takes away the victory.
it was a steady stream of shots that lasted all night long. You could almost see the other team's goalies.